Good afternoon and welcome back to RPW Adventures. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And we are here today for our final stop on our week-long road trip, and we are back for a redo on the Alvord Desert.
We're going to conquer this guy now.
And we are doing it XL style.
Yeah.
We've got our trailer.
Yep. Alvord Desert again. It's beautiful out here. There's lots of people because it is Memorial Day weekend. And we were actually here 1 year ago today.
Yeah, this was our first time.
Yeah.
So we're hoping that the wind, it is windy, but it definitely is not as windy as it was when we were here a month or so ago.
Yep. So. No mosquitoes either, so that's good. It's about 70 degrees, so.
Yeah. All right, let's get the trailer unpacked and set up.
Let's get all the dust off first.
Oh,
then we'll set up.
We are dirty. Everybody's dirty. The car, the inside of the car, the trailer.
That's an understatement. That's an understatement. Look at this thing. It used to be black. Sorry, Jordan.
Now it's a little dirt colored. Yeah, dirt dust.
Looks good. Raise, baby. Oh, look at her. What's she doing over there? Oh!
I did it!
Woo! Strut. Cover zone. Nothing. It's taking it down, baby. Stop anytime.
Gotta hold the chair down.
Chair's falling down. Our pets' heads are falling off.
Okay, just calm down.
What's happening?
Come on, wind. If it wasn't windy, we'd have mosquitoes.
All right, it is our last meal out camping. So tonight we're going big with taco night, or white people taco night. But we've got all the stuff to make burritos. We've got salsa, sour cream, lettuce, cheese, and then when we were at Walmart, I picked up these refried beans and Spanish rice, so we're gonna heat those up on the stove and get everything all cooked up. But I absolutely love like my kitchen setup here. It's so easy to like grab everything out of like kind of my what I've dubbed the pantry area, and then all of our cookware and plates and everything else is over on this side, and then makes it really easy to go over to the grill and get things going with the fridge right there. I love it. It's just able to like move around so easy.
So much room for activities.
And then we added our GCI outdoor camp table as kind of like a third extension here. So we got a big space to work with. So if I had my 2 grills, which I only have one this trip, but if I had 2, I could put one here, and be cooking on both of them. But like boom, boom, boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
Boom, boom, boom. All right, dinner is ready. We got our taco meat, rice, beans, and all the fixins over there. Heating up the tortilla shells right now. So let's get this all served up.
My, look at this. My God, it's like a baby. Let's go. Yep. Oh, dinner was amazing.
It did turn out really good.
Yeah. Ugh. Watching this biplane, or not biplane, but what is it?
I don't know, some kind of plane.
It's
been
like the
circling.
light plane, whatever it is. He's been circling around for freaking like 45 minutes.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I don't know how he has so much gas.
I know, right? But got the fire going. The wind died down-ish. Started back up a little bit, but all right.
Got cold.
Yeah, got cold. But nice.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna relax.
Chill, relax, listen to some podcasts, and
Yeah, drink some beers.
have some beers.
The Cassini organization launched in 1997 and used
What a glorious night. The wind died down finally.
Yep. Time to go crawl up in our tent.
Yep.
And go to sleepy sleep.
Yeah. We'll see you in the AM.
All right. See you in the morning. Good morning and welcome back to the Alvord Desert.
Yep. Great night.
Oh, it was so, the wind completely died. It was so quiet.
Still died.
Oh,
Still
yeah,
dead.
the mosquitoes are out big time because there's no wind, but that's okay. We're getting packed up, and we've got a long drive ahead of us today.
We're toast.
To head home. We are toast. But on the road for what? This is day 7?
6, 7?
Yeah, day
Whatever.
7.
Oh, yeah, it's Sunday.
Yeah, it's Sunday.
All right.
All right, we're going to get some coffee, get cleaned up, and yeah. Shout out to Beadlock Coffee Company. You can check them out online. Order your coffee today. This is seriously some of the best coffee we've had.
Not bad.
So good. All right.
That's it.
That's it.
We love this place.
Yes, we do.
Man.
We are packed up. We are going to hit the road. We have a really long 7-8 hour drive home today. But we had an amazing camping trip. Oh my gosh. All the cool places we got to see. If you missed any of those videos, go check them out. We've got a ton of stuff.
Down there, something like that.
Down there in the link, so.
Yeah, our washing machine's going to be going for nonstop for like 2 weeks.
Week.
Yeah. But the next time you'll see us, we'll probably be in our neck of the woods, PNW Forest.
Heck yeah.
Maybe Mount St. Helens, maybe Mount Adams. See what this baby does up there. And
yeah. Thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.